for today, you're going to move on to the AI edit for your short story. And you're going to find the prompts that you need to feed the AI. You can use ChatGPT. If you have access to some other AI like Google Bard or Ask AI, then you can use those as well. Part of this process is to find an AI that works best for you or which AI you like to use in certain situations. So, for example, when I'm writing more formal academic language, I like to use ChatGPT. However, if I want to sound a little bit more informal, then I like to use Google Bard. That is just my preferences that I have found using both ChatGPT and Google Bard. I have yet to ask AI, but I know colleagues and people who like Ask AI the best. So this is your time to experiment and see what you like the best. If you go into the writing unit and come down to AI Review Edit, it's going to take you to this page. It's going to ask you to open ChatGPT. Again, you can use another AI of your choice. And then you're going to copy, I'll fix that spelling mistake, each of these questions here into ChatGPT. This is due by Wednesday, end of day, Wednesday the 13th. It is a 5-point summative. So what you're going to find here is that for this unit, your writing process counts just as much as the final short story, okay? So you're going to open ChatGPT, and then it's going to look something like this. You probably won't have as much over here as I do. And then you can just copy and paste. If you want something more fancy, you can download this PDF if you want to. You don't have to though, okay? I was just being extra fancy. But you're going to go back here, and then you're going to copy, do I have all the elements of the plot diagram? And you're going to paste that into ChatGPT. Don't hit enter yet though, okay? So then what you're going to do is you're going to pull up your short story. Okay, so here's mine. And then you're going to copy your whole short story. And then right next to it, just hit space and then paste that whole short story in there. It's okay if the question butts up right against your short story. ChatGPT doesn't care, okay? Because if you hit enter, then ChatGPT is going to think of that as a separate request. And then you're going to hit send message. Okay, so here's my question, and then here is ChatGPT's response. It's actually going to go through all of the elements of a plot diagram, and it's going to point out everything that I have here. Do I have all the elements of a plot diagram? And then it says a little blurb down here as a summary, okay? Read through it. So if it says, no, you are missing this, or you're missing this, or this is not quite clear, then you need to fix it, right? So to get credit for this assignment, for each of the questions that we have listed in the AI Review Edit down here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you need to take a screenshot of what your AI says, okay? So if you're using a Mac, awesome, you can zoom out like how I do and take a picture of all of it. If you're using an iPad, I just need to see like some of it to be like, look, Ms. Rovin, I'm using AI ethically and I am editing, then you're fine. Okay, but you should have 6 pictures, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the AI Review Edit, and then over here you have like submissions, and then from there you're going to upload all 6 pictures. Okay, if you're having trouble uploading, you can show me your AI response. What I'll do is say, okay, cool, pull up ChatGPT or pull up whatever you're using, and then I will scroll through and make sure that you did all 6 prompts. If you have any questions, please ask me in class, and I hope that this review using AI is very beneficial for your writing. This is an ethical way to use AI in the writing process. Thanks, guys.